Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to adjust a mesh strap. So this is going to be the metallic bracelet that you can find on various watch brands, various watches that have this sliding or slide system that can easily be adjusted. Today we have a vintage 80s or 90s Timex watch, two Casio watches, and a vintage ladies timepiece. So I'm going to show you how to do this on all of them. You can use any metallic tool that you might find around the house, so a flat screwdriver, a knife, so the tip of the knife. Today I'm going to use the pin remover that you can find inside the basic watchmaker toolkit. I will leave a link in the description box below to all the tools that I use. And what you want to do, you want to take the tool that you have and insert the tip right here, and we are going to create a lever in order to open it up, and then we are going to slide it up and down. So this is going to be how you tighten it or loosen the size of the strap. So then what you want to do is to put it back in, and you want to push it all the way. Make sure to push it all the way so that it touches either the bracelet or the inner part of the clasp. You can also try to move it and see that it is fixed. Here we have a Casio watch. These usually have a small arrow that point to the exact place where you can actually do this. The same principle is going to apply. Slide it up and down, then we are going to close it. You sometimes can hear that click. Let's use a different tool this time. So for example, now I'm going to use my back case opener. This is going to be maybe similar to a knife, pocket knife that you can actually use the tip. I'm going to insert it, open it up. You are going to maybe even hear that snap. Slide it up and down. Sometimes it won't be easy to close, and that can be for a couple of reasons. Either the bracelet has a certain pattern and the clasp won't be able to close on that exact pattern, or in case, as you can see right here, there are going to be easier parts where the bracelet is going to close and others are going to be a little bit heavier. So what I want to do is just move it a little, and as you can see, now the bracelet closed very easily. In case you need to apply more pressure, you can even use the wooden or plastic handle that your tool has. So either from your knife, from your flat screwdriver. Here we have the ladies model. As you can see, once again, the same principle. This one has a pattern, just as I was telling you. For example, here I can close it very easily. But if I move it a little bit to the left or to the right, it is going to be very hard. As you can see here, I cannot actually push it all the way because it is going to close down on the exact pattern where it is a little bit thicker. So I'll just move it one tiny bit to the left or to the right, and then you can even use the handle in order to push it down. Just like that. Once again, make sure to have it pushed all the way. Test it to see that it doesn't move. And that is how you adjust the mesh bracelets on your watches, guys. So these are going to be the sliding or slide clasps that you can find on various watches, watch brands out there, but the principle is going to be the same. In case you have a different type of bracelet, I have a few other tutorials. You can check them out on this YouTube channel. So if you enjoy these type of videos, guys, about watches, vintage watches, watch tutorials, make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel. It really helps the channel grow. Give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment, let me know if you managed to solve the problem on your watch, so to adjust the bracelet. In case you have a difficulty, make sure to leave a comment and I will do my best to answer it. And guys, if you are into vintage watches, if you want to purchase your first vintage watch, make sure to check out our website vintageradar.com because we have thousands of vintage watches for sale. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you on the next one.